Good morning.
Morning.
We just came down the mountain, airing up. We decided to air up for the way down. It's only 15 miles, but it's rough. I don't know if it's even been graded yet this year. So we got up to the top of the hill yesterday, and even our tablet mount for inside the camper, the screws came out of all of it. I've had that mount for probably 3 or 4 years.
Yeah, it's been through some
shit, and that road tore it right apart. So yeah, we aired up on the way down, or aired down on the way up. Wait, what? So we aired down on the way down. That's what we did. And I was gonna say something else and I forgot.
Bear with me, man. I lost my train of thought.
It wouldn't be a trip over a mountain unless we got one of these stoplights or a guy holding a flag. It's just
It's twice this trip, I think.
every single time.
Yeah.
A few minutes later.
So that's 2 in one day. The third one on this trip. We're not even in the mountains this time, man.
No.
That's all right. We weren't in that big of a hurry. At least we're parked in the shade, right?
It's good.
Just like that, we're near the La Sal's. It's already cooled off 2 degrees as we came out of the canyon.
We're down to 93.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't think we've gone high enough yet. Still pretty warm. Got some decent views over here. Looking forward to overlooking Castle Valley, but I don't think that's going to happen. Nice little watering hole right there. Yeah, we're Castle Valley is going to be on the other side of that ridge there, so we're going to go up to what I kind of picked out, looking more east. We just want to get out of the heat and have a nice relaxing afternoon. That was a long drive today. I think we did like 240 miles, and that's no fun. It's all highway miles, pretty roads, but you know how it is. All right, let's get these air down and get out of here. All right, we're in the La Sal's. Take a look, yeah.
Our favorite mountains.
But this site, I don't know, there's a lot of fresh bear scat, like quite a bit, and a couple of prints here and there. I think we're gonna backtrack a little bit and go check out Hidden Lake or Don's Lake. Maybe being around people this time of year in this area, keep the bear away. So I don't know. Sometimes you just get a little freaked out. You know, you don't.
Yes.
Just it's gonna be in our heads the whole time, and you know it's no fun to be paranoid. So
Things flopping around in there.
there's some fish in there.
Lots of fish.
So that's Hidden Lake. I don't know if they want people camping down here. There's a couple of rings and stuff, but I don't know. We'll go check out Don's Lake and see how that goes. And Don's Lake is not going to work out for us. There's a little campsite before it, but it looks very underused. So, we get a little bit of water coming out of the La Sal's here. But yeah, I don't know. I think we're just gonna keep on rolling and see what happens. Alright, well, we found something. It's not the exact thing that we were kind of looking for, but we're just gonna chill out, drink a beer, and enjoy our view, and listen to some tunes, play some games, eat supper, and go to bed as per usual. Yeah, it's pretty quiet over here too, which is nice.
It is, and there's not a lot of bugs.
Yeah.
It's mostly like moths and stuff.
There's kind of like a little wetland meadow over here behind us.
Lost in a dream on the side of the road. Pick me up, yeah, where we gonna go? 'cause I just want to run. Stay the course out on the coast, surfing the sun. Yeah, life is full of love when I'm letting go. I will follow you, oh, I will follow you, oh, 'cause there's an aching hole running through my chest. Follow you, oh, yeah, yeah. Steal my heart and break my fall. This is all I've ever wanted. I know we got it all. And I'll follow you, oh, I'll follow you, oh. There's an aching hole running through my chest. Follow you, oh, I'll follow you, oh, I'll follow you, oh. Yeah, there's an aching hole running through my chest. Follow you, oh, yeah, yeah.
So what are we playing?
Golf.
Golf. Again?
Because we're a little too out of shape to play the real sport, so we're gonna play cards.
We used to play golf.
We used to. You're a little more active back then.
Now we just hang out at the table in the shade.
Fine.
Bone dry. These are marital problems that we have. Whoever's closest to the fridge has to get the thing, but she has the better view, so.
I do. We can swap.
Yeah, my feet are getting hot. That arch is pretty cool. I mean, I'm not 100% if it's an arch, but from our perspective, it looks like it is. Looks like it's coming, the light's coming in through it, and you can't see the light at all where it's going through, and then it shines down on the snow. That's pretty cool.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, I can still see it.
Mm-hmm.
That's dope. It's cool to find stuff like that you never. I'm sure it's got a name and there's a whole story behind it, but kind of cool to find it on your own. Cheesy tuna helper.
Quick and easy.
1 box, 1 pan, and 2 cans.
And we added corn.
And we added corn. And we're gonna add chips.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, say goodnight.
Good night.
Good night. Oh, it's super bright. Super night mode.